XRP has just bounced off of a critical level. The line in the sand that I drew was $2.79. We actually went all the way to $2.72, but it was just a wick. But when we can see the body close was about 284, and we can see that this is a lot of support over here. This is clear Wyckoff accumulation. Going up higher, breakout, back test of the prior range is a very, very healthy thing. And what we've been talking about with XRP and a lot of other coins, it's pretty rare. Let me give you an example with Bitcoin, but it's pretty rare that you actually just bust through the all-time high the first time that you get upon it. So right here is the all-time high back in 2013, and we can see you kind of test it, back test it, back test it, back test before finally breaking out. And that is basically what I anticipate for XRP, and we could count this as the first test, back test, if you even want to count this as your test over here, and a back test as well. Now, a really important chart that I'm looking at is the XRP chart measured in Bitcoin, and these critical levels is one of the reasons that I was so bullish back here in May for XRP. Is every time that XRP measured in Bitcoin has bounced off of this, it's had a really, really big move. But what we can see in the bigger time frame is this is Wyckoff accumulation, which is a bottoming structure, which we can see here. This is textbook Wyckoff accumulation, and this is what XRP measured in Bitcoin is doing. This is the sign of strength. The next thing would be the markup, and I do anticipate XRP is going to outperform Bitcoin over this next portion. Ultimately, my targets are $5, $8, $12. The important thing is, what do you guys think? What are your targets for XRP? If you need a personalized exit strategy for this next part, where it's going to be the most euphoric, that is something that I offer, so hit me in the DMs for that. Follow me for more, you savages.